Today I'm taking a look at the laser rangefinder. So we got our instructions. We have a calibration certificate, so we know that this thing has actually been checked. We got a charging cable. It's USB-A to USB-C. Cleaning cloth. And this has a nice pouch. It's almost a leather feeling. And has kind of an elastic in there holding it together. This is the rangefinder. Very nice looking lenses on there. Really like that camo pattern on there too, so if you're trying to make a low profile, you'll be able to do that. We got our charging port on the back, and it has a nice rubber grip on the top and the bottom. On the top we got two buttons, power and mode. The ring on the outside, if we adjust that, that will adjust the focus. And we can see on the bottom right we are in yards. If we press and hold the mode and power button, that'll switch to meters. I prefer yards, so I'm going to swap that back. So mode 1 is just going to show the standard yards on the bottom and the angle on the top. If we hit mode once, that'll show us the same stuff, but also show us all the angles of the triangle. So the top is going to be the hypotenuse, then we can see how high the object is from where we're standing. And if we're going to dig a tunnel straight to that object just underneath it, then that would be the level, so straightforward. If we hit mode again, then we will see scan appear in the top left. So this is going to do the same thing, but it is going to update continuously. Now we can see I can't get anything on here right now because I'm too close. If I hit mode again, then we'll get H2. So this is going to check the height between 2 points. So if I select a point down here and then find a point up there, that will tell me the height between those 2 points. So if I want to hit a ball over a tree, that will tell me how tall that tree is. If I hit mode again, now I'm in speed mode. So I can actually hit the button and find out how fast something is going. Next mode is golf mode. The top line will tell me the amount of yards to get there, and then the bottom line will tell me the approximate that I should hit for. So if we have a pretty steep angle, we might want to hit for a longer yardage. If I hit mode again, this is something that you don't normally see. We have look back. So this will tell me the previous measurements that it got. Very cool. That is actually a very handy thing to have. So if I can't quite remember, I can just go to look back and then find out exactly what that was. I apologize for the noise. It is pretty windy outside. Let's see if I can get this. We're at 65. 81. 508. So yeah, that is a pretty cool little rangefinder.